been so amazing, insightful.
Love the location.
Amazing.
Promising and collaborative.
Well-organized event.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to TechThreads.
Very well-organized event. Yes. Giving enough time for everybody to get to know each other, take all the information in and just enjoy it. And yeah, the location doesn't hurt.
We're sitting at the moment on this possibility of a new era of a fashion industry, which is going to basically be driven by technology. So I just see so much optimism and possibility in the technology solutions here.
I think teamwork, definitely. Like, I wouldn't have met these guys and actually had the chance to talk about what we're working on if it wasn't for TechThreads.
It's been a success.
So can we expect TechThreads to arrive again?
Oh yeah, we're definitely going to continue this the next year, every year from now on.